Our homes should be our sanctuaries. They should be places of peace and rejuvenation. But too often our homes are filled with toxins. These toxins come from a variety of sources. They can be in our cleaning products, furniture, and even the air we breathe. A holistic home detox is about more than just cleaning your home. It's about creating a healthy and harmonious living environment. It's about making mindful choices about the products we bring into our homes. And it's about simplifying our lives to reduce our exposure to toxins. Holistic home detox focuses on natural solutions. We use simple ingredients to clean and purify our homes. This approach is not only better for our health, it's also better for the environment. By embracing a holistic home detox, we take control of our health. We create a safe and healthy environment for ourselves and our families, and we contribute to a healthier planet. Traditional cleaning products often contain harsh chemicals. These chemicals can be harmful to our health. They can cause respiratory problems, skin irritations, and even cancer. Children and pets are especially vulnerable to the effects of these toxins. Natural cleaning solutions, on the other hand, are safe and effective. They use ingredients found in nature. These ingredients are biodegradable and non-toxic. This means they don't harm our health or the environment. Natural cleaning is also more affordable. Simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils can be used to clean a variety of surfaces. These ingredients are often less expensive than commercial cleaning products. Switching to natural cleaning products is an easy way to reduce our exposure to toxins. It's a small change that can make a big difference in our health and well-being. Creating a naturally clean home doesn't have to be complicated. Start with small changes. Replace one conventional cleaning product with a natural alternative. Try using white vinegar to clean your windows. Baking soda is great for scrubbing sinks and tubs. Air quality is crucial for a healthy home. Improve your indoor air by opening windows for fresh air. Houseplants can also purify the air. Peace lilies and snake plants are known for their air-purifying qualities. Choose natural furnishings whenever possible. Look for furniture made from sustainable materials like bamboo or reclaimed wood. Avoid furniture treated with flame retardants or other harmful chemicals. Your bedroom should be a haven of peace. Choose organic bedding made from materials like cotton or linen. These materials are breathable and free from harmful chemicals. Wash bedding frequently in hot water to reduce dust mites. Section 4. My journey with natural cleaning. I used to be overwhelmed by the number of cleaning products I thought I needed. Each surface seemed to require a different spray or wipe. Then, I discovered the power of natural cleaning. My journey began with simple swaps. I replaced my all-purpose cleaner with a mixture of vinegar and water. Baking soda became my go-to for scrubbing. I was amazed by how well these simple ingredients worked. Over time, I eliminated all toxic cleaning products from my home. The result? A healthier home and a healthier me. I no longer experience headaches or respiratory problems from harsh cleaning chemicals. Natural cleaning has become a way of life for me. It's not just about cleaning my home, it's about making conscious choices that align with my values. Section 5. The joys of a naturally clean home. There's nothing quite like the feeling of a naturally clean home. The air feels fresher. The house smells subtly of essential oils, not harsh chemicals. It's a space that promotes relaxation and well-being. A naturally clean home is a healthier home. By reducing our exposure to toxins, we support our overall health and well-being. We experience fewer allergies, headaches, and respiratory problems. A naturally clean home is also a more sustainable home. By choosing natural cleaning products and furnishings, we reduce our impact on the environment. We create a healthier planet for ourselves and future generations. The benefits of a naturally clean home extend beyond our physical health. It's a lifestyle choice that promotes peace of mind, well-being, and a deeper connection to nature. Section 6. Start your holistic home detox today. You don't have to overhaul your entire home overnight. Start small. Choose one area to focus on, like your kitchen or bathroom. Replace one conventional cleaning product with a natural alternative. Gradually make changes over time. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel in your home. If you experience headaches, dizziness, or other symptoms, it may be a sign that your home is making you sick. Embrace the journey. Natural cleaning is a process of discovery. Experiment with different ingredients and find what works best for you. There are countless resources available online and in libraries to guide you. Creating a holistic home detox is a gift you give yourself and your family. It's a step towards a healthier, more sustainable, and more joyful life. Start your journey today and experience the transformative power of a naturally clean home.